Hi, this is Larry Adams, online editor with Woodworking Network, FDMC, and Closets Magazine. I'm here talking with Fabio Carrera, co-owner of CNC Supply USA, suppliers of CNC equipment and other equipment for the small and medium-sized shop that are looking to grow and expand. Can you tell me a little bit about the company and what you offer and how you can help these guys improve their productivity?
So my name is Fabio Correa. We sell CNC machinery. So our mainly product is the CNC router. We also have edge bander machine, compressor, dust collection system. But we mainly focus on the CNC because that's like the heart of a shop. So right now we know like a lot of people doing cutting by hand, like the old style. But the thing with that is that you can cut probably around 40 sheets, something like that per day. But later you are gonna have to do the groove, you are gonna have to do the shelf holes, all of that stuff by hand. That's gonna take some time. And at the end of the day, you are gonna have to hire like high scale employees. On a CNC machine, you can just have 2 or 3 guys on a shop doing all the job. So basically, you're saving a lot of costs. Our machine start on 40,000. So if you resume that, it's gonna be like a year labor. One guy is gonna cost you probably more than that.
It's cheaper than the car I just bought my wife. So.
Yeah, probably. So that's the thing with a CNC machine. You can go with a really small location, let's say 2,000 square feet. You can put a CNC machine there and start running your business. And using a CNC is going to help you to take more complex jobs. The quantity of jobs you are going to take is higher. So that's basically our idea.
And how about people that say it's too hard to learn and I don't know how to do it? Well, how do you help those people?
Okay, so we have a showroom in Miami and we have a showroom in Orlando. They can go to our shop and they can see how we work, how we run the warehouse, how we take a customer from the beginning, from the design up to the cutting. They are gonna see all the process. They can learn how to do all of that. Then we are gonna go to their shop. We are gonna do the training for them. We are gonna do the training on that machine and also the software that they want to use. Right now we are using Mosaic because it's one of the friendliest software that you can find right now. But anyway, if they want to use another one, we can recommend whatever is gonna fit for them.
Well, thank you very much, Fabio. I appreciate just giving me some time today. And when you're in need of some C equipment, I highly suggest you give Fabio a call. Thank you very much.
Thank you.